Japanese approach to design has always been original, but when compared to the European automobile designs, they somehow couldn't match their sleekness and edgy styles. Unlike other Japanese vehicles, the motorbike from Great Japan is a stunning-looking motorbike concept by Artem Smirnov and Vladimir Panchenko. Their concept is about their passion about the Japanese approach to design, and it's quite lovely what they have done. The design heavily indicates their culture and history and draws inspiration from minimalism, origami, and samurai culture. The simplicity and sense of space are recognized today in the industrial design of Japanese brands. But for some reason, this approach is now rarely used in the design of Japanese cars and motorcycles. It may be due to the impact of the European brands that impose their rules of the game, when an inexperienced user cannot tell the Japanese product from European. The motorbike from Great Japan is indicative of Japan's culture, spirit, and aesthetics. The motorbike makes uses of planar surfaces, reminiscent of samurai uniforms, and a body inspired by an origami form. It even goes one notch closer to integrate a samurai sword-style woven handle for the handlebar grips. The bike comes with a styled carbon fiber body, which not only makes the bikes lighter and faster, but also allows it to achieve its origami-inspired style rather seamlessly. The bike even supports dual suspension on the front and back, along with an adjustable seat for comfort and what looks like a push-to-accelerate footrest. That's extremely innovative, even by Japanese standards. If you want to know more details about this vehicle, please go to the designer's profile linked in the description below. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to watch more concept vehicles in the future.